All right, what is up, everybody? So I think today we're gonna go easy because I don't feel like laying on the floor right now. Today we're gonna install a quick release on my steering wheel. I already got the shroud off, that's been off, so what we gotta do, take some screws off, see how the quick release bolts up, bolt the quick release on. I'm gonna look around in there, see if I see anything for my horn. If not, I'll just order a new horn for later. Maybe I'll do, I don't know. Think I could put Hello horns on this thing? I mean, I am coming from a Subaru, so gotta keep true to my roots. Yeah, let me get the quick release ready. I'll show you that and start looking around. Now I got the adapter of some sort. Got my button. Got the Momo horn button. Then let's show you the quick release quick. Quick release quick. NRG. Got more things. Whatever that's for. And we got the quick release. Boom, boom. Probably gonna take that off. This little screw. Because it's annoying every time you try to release and then you got to find the screw just to pop it off. It's not that bad, but be good. So let's get in the car. Let's take the steering wheel off of the hub that's on there. Look around a little bit, see if we could figure out maybe there's a horn. Good shot there isn't a horn, but yeah, let's get in there. We're gonna make sure your steering wheel is straight, and most important is making sure it's straight, because if it's off to the side, then that's gonna be very annoying. You're gonna be driving down the road, it's gonna be like cocked to the side a little bit. So make sure your steering wheel is straight. Take out your screws. You need an Allen key for it, and then we'll move on to the next step. Maybe we're gonna look to see if there's a horn in here. If not, we're just gonna do a really basic install and then do the horn later on. So let me do that, and yeah, steering wheel off, got my bolts out. What I'm looking for right now is something that resembles the horn button, the wires for the horn button. I think I see something. I'm gonna cut this off, and it's like wire, it's taped together, so I'm gonna cut this off. I'm actually gonna try to jump it out. If a horn goes off, I will be very, very excited, but I'm not keeping my fingers crossed for this one. I'm gonna take a little piece of wire, gonna try jumping it out, and you guys will watch it with me. Nope, I don't even know if that's it or not. Just stuck a wire in there. Yeah, the battery's not completely dead, so it should. All right, so let's move along here. We are going to probably just order a horn. It's gonna be the easier thing. So let's get this back together. What is that for? I don't know. There's just wires and shit everywhere. Going basic on this one. So steering wheel, put this over here for now. Looks like we gotta do. That's gonna have to go like this somehow. And then steering wheel is gonna go like that. I'm just gonna screw these in, be right back. The part of the quick release is on. Got the other guy. All right, we're on. So what we gotta do, I'm actually gonna take this guy off. It's just a little screw there. So let me find the correct Allen key for that. Hopefully it's this guy. Twas. I'm gonna wait on the horn button. All right. Let's see. Steering wheel. All right, so the only thing I'm eventually gonna have to do, because you got the quick release status now. Throw this back on. Gonna have to install that, but I'm gonna wait till I get a horn. Because that's gonna go right in the middle there, and it's gonna go beep, 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 beep. So no reason to put that on right now because I'm gonna have to take the wheel back off to get everything working. The more I'm thinking about it now, I probably could have just wired everything to make it work. And then when I get the horn, I could just connect the wires outside the steering wheel. But what's done is done. So quick release done. All right, so yeah, quick release done. That was a quick video for a quick release. So like I was saying in the video, I'm gonna have to deal with finding something to work for as a horn because I don't see anything that resembles the stuff that's supposed to be the wiring for the horn. And once again, it's a good chance that it's not even on the car anymore because it's a 240 and people don't really do things the right way. They just do it like the quick, simple way. So quick release is on and gonna have to deal with the horn. What else we gotta do? We gotta do a lot of stuff to this car. So that was something that didn't have to get done, but kind of like, it kind of helped to find what I need for the horn. So I'm gonna have to disassemble that stuff anyway to wire when I get this new horn. So I want to thank you guys for joining me on this quick release video. It's off. It works. It was a quick one with a quick release, but yeah, if you have any questions about this, or if you saw that I did something wrong with, which there's a good chance I may have done something wrong because I didn't look at any instructions on that. I just kind of sent it. But yeah, if you have a question, let me know. Leave it down in the comments because I'll be happy to answer it. And give me a thumbs up because thumbs up, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one.